In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Drive folder for DocuSign. We'll begin in Google Drive, specifically in My Drive, because this is where you'll create the folder that DocuSign can later access. Once you're on the Google Drive page, click the New button on the left-hand side. From the menu that appears, choose New Folder. Now type the name of your folder. It's a good idea to use a clear and organized name so you can easily recognize it later when you connect it to DocuSign. For example, you might name it based on the type of documents you plan to store there. A well-named folder makes things much easier when you need to locate files quickly. After the folder is created, click to open it. Inside this folder, you can now drag and drop the files you want to use for DocuSign. These could be contracts, agreements, forms, or other supporting documents. Once you drop the files in, give Google Drive a moment to finish uploading everything completely before moving on. When that's done, go back to DocuSign. In some cases, newly uploaded Drive content may not appear right away, so it's often better to log in again to help refresh the connection. Click Login and wait for the page to fully load. Once you arrive at the DocuSign homepage, open My Preferences. This is the area where you manage your account settings and connected tools. From there, find the Document Sources tab. This section lets you connect external storage services, such as Google Drive, so you can pull documents directly into DocuSign without manually downloading and re-uploading them. In the Connected Sources area, click Connect for Google Drive. You'll be taken to Google to choose your account. Select the correct Google account, then click Continue to approve the connection. Wait a moment while DocuSign finishes linking to Google Drive. Once the connection is complete, your Google Drive will be ready to use inside DocuSign. To test it, click Home in DocuSign. When the home page loads, you can either start from the main options available there, or go directly into sending a document. For this example, click Get Signatures. Then, click Upload and choose Google Drive as your file source. From there, open the folder you created earlier, locate the file you need, and select it. Then click Add Selected. Give DocuSign a little time to load the file, since this can sometimes take a few extra seconds depending on the file size. Once the document appears, it's ready to use. At that point, you can continue preparing and sending it for signature, or save it for later if you're not ready to send yet. And that's it. You've successfully created a Google Drive folder for DocuSign, connected Google Drive, and confirmed that your files are ready to use.